Welcome back to Studio 10.
We're done with Christmas, we're done with the new year, and you know what time it is.
Mardi Gras time.
Mardi Gras time. We are here at Advanced Dermatology and Skincare Center with Dr. Thomas Bender, and we have to look good at Mardi Gras, the ladies especially. So the first thing we're talking about this morning is getting rid of the fat.
Yes, getting rid of the fat. I mean, of course, that's something that we like to do year-round.
Right,
but
not just at Mardi Gras.
But all of a sudden now it's like, okay, we just had a lot of fun at Christmas and New Year's, and holy cow, we've got these Mardi Gras balls coming up. They're upon us. I mean, Mardi Gras Day is what, like February 17th or something?
That's right. And let me tell you, Dr. Bender, those dresses can get a little tight, so we need to look our best.
Exactly, and that's where Vanquish comes in. You know, the patient who they're exercising, you know, they're trying to go to the gym, they're trying to do the right things, they're trying to eat properly, but they've got that little area, or maybe that dress is a little bit too tight, and we can help them with that. The Vanquish is something that is, you know, non-invasive. You basically lay down for about 45 minutes, once a week for 4 weeks, and basically reduce anywhere from 1 to 4 inches over a treatment cycle. So that's, you know, obviously very powerful and a great thing to do around Mardi Gras time.
And that leads me to the next thing, skin rejuvenation. They talk about water, how important it is with skin rejuvenation, and that is also something that we want to do year-round, not just at Mardi Gras time. We want our skin looking good.
Of course, and so, you know, we can start doing some things like, for example, CO2 laser resurfacing. This is the perfect time of the year, finally getting some cooler weather, and you know, if someone does want to do something, you know, it is a little more aggressive. We do ask, that's about 5 days of downtime with that procedure, but the benefits are so nice. You know, we get some fine lines and wrinkle reduction. We also get some decreased risk of skin cancer. It was a treatment in medical literature within the last couple of years shows to decrease that risk, which is always good. And it makes sense. It makes sense because we're getting rid of some of the old tissue, been protecting the patient for years from the sun. We're getting rid of some of that. We're making the body regenerate new. So obviously we would expect it to give us a little bit of a break from skin cancer and also give us that tightening we're looking for.
Should we expect multiple treatments for the skin rejuvenation?
Yes, I mean, you know, what we do and what we have done with this laser is it's fractionated, which means we're only really treating 25 to 30% of the facial skin each treatment. Of course, you know, we give the patient a break on their costs with each treatment versus what we were doing a decade ago with the full face resurfacing. But the reason for that, and the reason it's so important, it reduces our risk and helps us to heal a lot quicker. You know, we're talking about a 5-day healing period versus what used to be 3 and 4 weeks.
And we're also mentioning really quick, I know we're going to focus on those two, especially getting ready for Mardi Gras, but you also, we've talked about it before, the underarm sweat reduction.
You know, the Mirror Dry has been such a hit. I mean, patients that have been suffering with, you know, excessive underarm sweating for years and years, you know, it's an answer for them. And also, of course, when you're dealing with that, not only is it embarrassing, but, you know, you're ruining those favorite blouses and whatnot with discoloration. And so it's just a real blessing, and, you know, we're happy to be able to offer that for our patients, and patients love it. As far as with that, we numb the area up. The patient experienced minimal discomfort during that time. They don't really feel much during the procedure itself. And then 2 treatments, about a 90% plus or minus reduction in sweat for life going forward.
Amazing stuff that you're doing here, and of course gift certificates are available. We know Christmas is over with, but hey, that birthday gift, gentlemen, you need something to get the ladies. What better than give them a gift of beauty? Well,
like we said around Christmas, you don't want to give your wife a free Mirror Dry treatment, but get them a gift certificate.
Right.
Let them select what they want. You know, we don't want to get anyone in trouble here.
Yeah, that's right. Looking out for the men. And as far as consultations are concerned, you guys do that too.
We do. We do consultations. We charge a nominal fee. I think it's $50. And of course, the patient gets to apply that towards their procedure, so they're not going to lose anything with doing that. That way we can sit down with them, make sure we select the right treatment for them.
All right, ladies, you heard it here. If you're getting ready for Mardi Gras, you have a limited time to do so. Come see Dr. Thomas Bender here at Advanced Dermatology and Skincare Center.